Creating a landing page on ClickFunnels is a straightforward process that helps capture leads or promote a specific product. Here's how to do it. Log into ClickFunnels. Go to ClickFunnels and log into your account. From the dashboard, ClickFunnels and then Build Funnel. Choose funnel type. Select Collect Emails or Custom Funnel to start creating your landing page. Name your funnel and select your goal, such as lead generation or product promotion. Pick a template. Browse through ClickFunnels templates and choose one that matches your design preferences and goals. Click Edit Page to customize the selected template. Design your landing page. Use a drag and drop editor to modify the layout. Add elements such as headlines, images, videos, forms, and call to action buttons. Personalize the colors, fonts, and content to align with your brand. Integrate your email list. Connect your email marketing platform to capture leads from the landing page. Publish and test. Save your work, preview the page to ensure it looks and functions correctly, and then click Publish.